How to add overlay in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily add overlays in CapCut. So let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your main video or photo. Now tap on overlay in the bottom menu, then click add overlay. Select the video, image or graphic you want to overlay from your library. Once added, drag to reposition the overlay on your timeline. Use two fingers to resize or rotate it directly on the preview screen. To edit your overlay, tap it on the timeline. You can adjust opacity, add animation, or even use the chroma key tool for green screen effects. And that's it. You have added an overlay in CapCut like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite CapCut tips in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.